What use is an F-call? I hear regularly from other amateurs in face-to-face conversation that they're not sure what to do and whom to talk to. These amateurs, not all foundation licensees, for some or other reason feel that their contribution isn't nearly as valid as that of an amateur who's been around the block a few times. Every experienced ham I've ever spoken with has been nothing but gracious with their time and knowledge and serve as a regular example of getting on with it. They repair repeaters, do historical research, teach others, share anecdotes, provide skill and experience, encourage newcomers, and do so while dealing with failing health or other personal challenges. It will be absurd to think that you might get on with every person in life, and of course, amateur radio is a reflection of that. Some people are like kindred spirits and others just don't float your boat. This is a huge community, filled with many interests and activities, all with the backdrop of a technically challenging hobby we call amateur radio. If you're brand new to this hobby, you may think that what you know and what interests you have are not worthy of consideration. This is not true. What does it take to get involved? Basically, turn up and start helping. So what are you waiting for? I'm Onno, Victor Kilo 6, Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.